You see what happened? Always focus on your what? Major trend. That's the best thing because patience here really pays. And 90% of the time, traders lose because of what? Patience. They don't have patience. They are just waiting for, they can't wait to make that money. They can't just wait, guys. They can't just wait. They want to make it. That is why sometimes you see me, I don't send signals. Even there's a signal group I once had, they complain that I don't send signals every day. I asked them one question. How can I be sending signals? Okay, let's say, okay, I'm sending signals every day and you are losing every day. You're losing every day. You see that signals I'll be sending all this while. So many of you in the group have been able to flip your account. Do you think it's forming every day? No. The market don't give you a very nice trend every day. You see what happened? And if you had your counter trend line as well, this is what happened at this point. You could have catched this earlier because of what? You are in a downtrend. This is multiple confirmations at this point. If you check this list, they will call psychological level bank zones. 1.02500 was a very nice bank zone at this point. The market rejected off it, broke trend line. If you check your session, this should be London session or New York session. So you see what I'm telling you? Do you see what I'm telling you? It's broke through, gave us a very nice inverse hammer candle, rejected off our trend line, sold all the way to the downside. Then during New York session, it started retracing a little bit. And is this what you are meant to be buying? No. Always think. This is just very simple to spot. Very, very simple. And with your session should also be another confirmation overall for you. So these are things, this is the way you want to be traded. You can see that the market broke through it and take you out, then continued all the way to the upside a little bit. Then what happened again? They will still be looking to buy at this point. Don't forget. That is how the market makers manipulate this market. They know where your stop loss is. They know where you are putting your stop loss because on these support areas now, they are putting support. They are looking to buy on this point. They are looking to buy. You see what happened? Broke through this support and also kissed their stop loss. And what happened? You see that the market retraced back and started buying to the upside. This is just very simple, guys. Like I'm telling you, it really works. Right? All these things work every day. Where you see the market, take you out from the market, then go all the way to your direction. Can you see this? Can you see this movement? The market makers manipulated everything here. Just take a look at these candles. Be wise. Be wise. First of all, ask yourself a question. What was the candle that was left here on the 1 hour? Look at a very nice inverse hammer was left here during New York session. During London session. Then what happened? It sold. Was there any bullish candle at all telling you that the buying momentum is already getting exhausted? No. What happened? Another bearish candle came. Another bearish candle followed it. Then broke through the support. Another bearish candle came to retest it. Then shoot all the way to the downside. Then what happened? The market came to retest where this support. That's why I told you that the market is always moving the market is always moving from one zone to another zone. This is what I mean. Can you see what happened on the 1 hour? What happened? You see this very nice rejection candle. Oh my God. Then what follows? It just came all the way from this point. You see this rejection candle form. You just enter peacefully. Risk your 1% with no fears. Put your stop loss below this point, right? Put your stop loss below this area and you target the upside. Very simple risk to reward. When you are trading like this, it will be like as if you are bribing the market. That's the way it works. Although I'm not saying that it's 100% working, but trust me, it really works. It really, really works. On this second bullish candle that is forming, you enter peacefully. If you are trading this kind of ranging market, you should always wait for market manipulations most of the times. Because on this support, that is how you can be able to predict all of these moves. It's just very simple. It's just very simple, right? It's just very simple to trade. And trust me, when you are losing, you'll be happy because of what? You are following the right trading style. You're not going against your rules. You're not going against the market, all right? And always take it that when you have sorry, I have to pause this video right now. My watch is making noise. There's an alarm. So always take it that when the market is when you lose, you are the one at you are the person that is trading the market the wrong way, right? I don't want to like, you know, just take it that you're the one that is wrong, right? Don't blame the market. Don't blame what the market did to you. Always take it that, yes, how did I lose this trade? That's one question you should be asking yourself. Then learn from that and move on. Learn from that and move on. So now we're just going to delete all of these things here. I think with this, with this video, you should be able to spot a very nice reversal patterns. And even if you find yourself in a ranging market, you can be able to trade it. When you're in a ranging market, this is very simple. When you're in a ranging market, first of all, before we enter the ranging market, was there change of character, was there change of trend? What was the trend? That is number one. Was there change of trend? This is one question. So if there is no change of trend, then always focus more on what? The major trend before that ranging market started. Always focus on what? The major trend before the ranging market started displaying. So that's the things you want to trade. Like these are the things you need to look out for, right? Okay, so I'm going to clear my chart right now to make another examples. So taking a look at this market right now, I want you to value something here. Your session should be your number one. Don't trade outside your session. And if you are trading with New York session, you should always stick with that New York session. Don't go, just pick one pair or pick two pairs. For me, trading one pair is kind of like, I don't really get trades every day, right? So it's better if you can pick GU that is related to the dollar index, then pick GU, then you pick either Euro USD. Remove Euro USD because Euro USD and GU are friends, like they move in the same direction. But Euro USD chart is more clear than GU, right? Than GBP USD. And your time frames now, I want to talk about time frames. So if you are a scalper, unlike me, I don't think scalping is a very nice trading strategy. It shouldn't be. Scalping is you just basically using the 5 minutes, 15 minutes as your major trend. Hell no, that thing is going to confuse you. It's really, really going to confuse you. So I suggest you should always use what? As a day trader, let me use a text here. Okay, this is the weekly chart, weekly time frame. Then, sorry. So the weekly time frame. So another one is the daily time frame, 24 hours. All right. Time frame or daily CMF time frame as well. Let me just copy this. Copy daily time frame, the daily time frame. Okay, then the 4 hours. Frame. then what? The 1 hour time frame. I don't know why I'm giving space. And the 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes for entries. 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going to break these things down. You have to make use of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 time frames, right? And this weekly time frame that you are seeing right here is not just something you are going to be, you're just going to have it at the back of your mind that on the weekly we are what doing this, we are doing that. So what you're meant to do is go to the weekly time frame, right? When you go to the weekly time frame, you are to what? Spot the trend on the weekly. What are we currently doing on the weekly time frame right now? Are we going down or what are we doing? That's one question you should always ask yourself. Then take a look at this. Take a look at this. What is the market creating on the weekly? What is the market creating on the weekly? You see what happening here? We broke these highs here, right? Then shoot all the way to the upside, came down, creating what? Higher highs, higher low. Because of what? We are not breaking this low. That's why it's higher low. Then created another higher high. What happened? We are breaking this area now, but we have not yet broken it. We haven't, right? So we see that we're in a major retracement to the downside right now because the market moves in way. It will move, then retrace, move, retrace, move, retrace. That's the way the market moves. And you see that looking at this trend, majorly we are in a very nice and strong retracement all the way to this side. And don't forget, this is a very major zone right now because at this point, let's take a look at this. This is a very nice doji star. Doji star. What? Morning star formation. Morning star formation formed here. So this point might be very, very hard for this market to break through it. Then you mark it out. Mark it out, right? Mark these zones out. That's one way. And so look at the major trend. Do we have any support resting around this point? Yes, we do. You have to also mark your support on your weekly, then go to the 4 hours or to the daily, then find all of these support areas. If you cannot spot it, just use the line charts. Look at where the market has really tested before. That's the thing you want to be looking at. And don't make your support zone, don't make your key level wide, because once you scale to the lower time frame, you're going to see it's going to be very, very wide, like wide. So you don't want to be trading with a very wide support or resistance. So this is it for this. Yes, we have a very nice key level at this point. Nice. This is what we have. And another one is here. Spot it. Just mark all of these zones out. We have rejection. So we have market reacting to this point. Reacted here, reacted here, reacted here. Okay, we're going to use this. Reacted here, came here, reacted, reactions all over our key level. And you can see that the market has broken through it. So we might still break this point. It's possible. It's very, very possible we can break that point because there is no major trend around this point. There is actually. You can see reaction here. So now let's go to the daily. So on the daily time frame now, what are you seeing? Now that we are on the daily, what are you seeing as a trader? Let's change our market to